This portion of the video presents maintenance procedures and safety precautions to be observed while servicing the Maxi-Lift. Maintenance on the Maxi-Lift is relatively simple, but certain safety precautions should be followed, since any type of lifting device presents a hazard to personnel when maintenance is performed. To make daily visual inspections, lower the Maxi-Lift to its lowest position. Visually inspect the Maxi-Lift completely on a daily basis. Tighten all loose bolts, nuts, screws, or pins. Inspect the cables for evidence of damage, such as fraying or kinking. Do not operate the Maxi-Lift if damage is observed. Cables can only be ordered from the Cotterman Company to ensure that original safety and quality specifications are met. Detailed instructions for replacing cables will be supplied with the replacement cables. Inspect the outriggers to make sure that they slide in and out of the tubes easily and that the jacks operate easily. Inspect the two brake chains for wear, broken links, fractures, and any other apparent damage. Do not operate the winch if either brake chain is damaged in any way. A brake plunger is located on one end of both cables, as shown. Upon the breaking of either cable, the plunger will slide into the brake chain and stop the platform from falling. To check for proper operation of the upper cable brake plunger, elevate the platform to a low level as shown. The upper cable can then be pulled and released as shown, to simulate the release of tension on the cable that would take place upon the cable breaking. When the cable is released, the spring-loaded plunger should slide into the brake chain and secure the column and platform from any further movement. Raise the platform with the winch until the load is again put on the cable. The plunger will then pull out of the chain. Then lower the unit. To check the lower cable plunger for proper operation, simply lower the unit to its lowest position. Then continue turning the winch handle counterclockwise until the slack in the lower cable allows the plunger to be released into the brake chain. Crank the winch handle clockwise to pull the plunger out of the brake chain. Lubricating helps extend the useful life of the Maxi-Lift. Using type EP90 oil, lubricate components as shown. Apply oil to the screw jacks for easier operation. Apply oil to the cable pulley shafts and bearings. Apply oil to the cage pivot bolts and to the barrel bolts on the platform. Apply oil to the winch bearings. Be careful to allow no oil to come into contact with the brake pad as shown. Apply grease to the caster axles using a grease gun as shown. Apply petroleum jelly to all contact points in the column assembly. Apply grease to the winch gears as shown, being careful and allowing no grease to come into contact with the brake pad. This concludes the training video. Read the instruction and maintenance manual frequently so that the safety rules and operating and maintenance procedures are remembered and observed. Conduct training sessions using this video periodically and whenever new personnel are to operate or maintain the Maxi-Lift. Remember that Cotterman Company is always available to answer any questions that arise during the use of the Maxi-Lift.